Hello friends, Jai Jagannath. Welcome to Jobs World channel. I wish you are all safe at home and keep studying. So if you are new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs and job alert. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 5th May 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Who has been elected as an international honorary member to the American Academy of Arts and Science? So her name is Shobhana Narasimha. So she was a theoretical science unit. She was from the theoretical science unit at Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research. Question number 2. The Election Commission has decided to conduct the biennial election in which of the following state on May 21? So it is in Maharashtra. Some recent current affairs related to Maharashtra. Recently, Maharashtra, to improve the power sector in the Maharashtra rural area, the Asian Development Bank has provided a loan of $346 million to Indian government. And Maharashtra capital is Mumbai. Its CM is Uddhav Thackeray and governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. In election commission, it was founded on 25th January 1950. Its headquarters present in New Delhi, and Sunil Arora is our Chief Commission of India. Question number 3. Who has been named the men's ODI player of the year at the annual New Zealand Cricket Awards? So his name is Ken Williamson. Question number 4. The book Professor B.B. Lal, India Rediscovered has been prepared by which of the following ministry? So it is by Ministry of Culture. So who is the minister? His name is Sri Prahlad Singh Patel. And Professor B.B. Lal was a great archaeologist of India. Question number 5. According to the latest report of the International Energy Agency, lockdown in India has reduced energy demand by almost how much percent? So it is by 30%. Question number 6. With the inclusion of 5 more states and UTs in one nation, one ration card plan, the total number of state or UTs now stands at 17. Question number 7. With which bank has released a collaborative song title हम हार नहीं मानेंगे, that is we will not lose? So it is by HDFC Bank. And who composed the music? It is by A.R. Rahman. Some GK today HDFC. HDFC headquarters present in Mumbai and Aditya Puri is its MD. Question number 8. Which state has decided to launch Mukhyamantri Sahari Rozgar Guarantee Yojana? So it is launched by Himachal Pradesh. So what is this scheme? Under this program, 120 days assured employment will be provided. Some GK to Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh capital is Simla. Its CM is Jairam Thakur and governor is Bandaru Dattatreya. Question number 9. Which has become the first state in the country to provide midday meal ration? So it is by Madhya Pradesh. Some GK to Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Shivraj Singh Chauhan is its CM and Lalaji Tandon is its governor. Question number 10. How many new mandis were added to the e-NAM platforms from 7 states recently? So it is 200 mandis. So the e-NAM platform is created for marketing agriculture produce. Question number 11. To enhance and safeguard the coastal and marine resources of India, which bank has approved USD 400 million support? So it is by World Bank. Some GK to World Bank. World Bank headquarters present in Washington DC, and it was founded on July 1944, David Malpass is its president and Anushulya Kant is its MD and CFO. Question number 12. Who has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to Brazil? So his name is Suresh K. Reddy. Question number 13. Who is the author of the book The Room Where It Happened, a White House Memoir? So it is by John Bolton. Question number 14. FC Goa on has appointed whom is the club's new head coach for the upcoming India Super League season? So it is Juan Fernando. He is from Spain. Question number 15. Which of the following has selected space firm SpaceX, Blue Origin and Dynetics to build lunar landing system that can carry astronauts to the moon by 2024? So it is by NASA. NASA full form is National Aeronautic and Space Administration. It was founded on 29 July 1958. Its headquarters present in Washington DC. And recently, NASA has celebrated Hubble Telescope 30th anniversary on 24th April. Question number 16. Who has been appointed as an independent member of the board of director of Oyo Hotels and Rooms? So his name is Troy Elstead. He was the former Starbucks Corporation COO. Question number 17. Which of the following has designed bamboo furniture to meet the requirements of the primary health cares, that is PSCs in rural village of Assam? So it is by IIT Guwahati. Question number 18. Which of the following cities has launched its first COVID-19 testing bus in May 2020? So it is by Mumbai. Question number 19. Two students of which of the following universities have developed an intelligent device which will analyze if a coughing person is a COVID-19? So it is by Jadavpur University. Question number 20. Kobil Patti Kadalai Mittai, that is a peanut candy, from which of the following states has been granted the GI tag? So it is from Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu capital is Chennai. Its CM is E.K. Palaniswamy and governor is Banwarila Purohit. Question number 21. A.K. Tripathi passed away recently. He was related to which field? He was related to law, and he was the former Chief Justice of Patna High Court. Question 122. Which of the following will in Jio platform will buy 1.15 stakes as an equity value for rupees 4.90 lakhs crore? So it is by Silver Lake. Question number 23. Which of the following has won the Silver Award for Asia's Best Integrated Report at the 5th Asia Sustainability Reporting Awards? So it is to Thomas Cook India Limited. Question 24. Peter Sadburn has announced his retirement. He was related to which sports? So he was related to snooker. Question number 25. Who among the following has participated in the virtual summit of the non-aligned movement held in May 2020? So it is our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. Question number 26. Which of the following plans to sanitize around 4,000 police vehicles across the country? So it is by MG Motor India. So MG Motor India headquarters present in Gurugram, Haryana, and Rajiv Chhabba is its president and MD. Last question of the day. Which of the following has released a campaign Mat Kar Forward urging the citizen to stop forwarding videos which don't have verified information? So it is by TikTok. This is the current affairs of 5th May 2020. The answer of yesterday's question is Merdeka Cup is related to football. Question of today is elephant caves located in which state? So write down the answer in the comment box and I will attach this PDF in the description. You can go and download it from there. So thanks for your time. Stay safe at home and keep studying. And do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.